Admit it, guys. You thought that I have forgotten about you. But you would have been wrong. I don't know why I did that. Anyway, we got another sick-ass pack of Panini UEFA Euro 2012 sticker pack. And as always, give me a CR7. Yes, trying to move something in third person. We've got Stadium Mijeski, Wroclaw, maybe? We've got William Quist. He's Danish, so that doesn't count. We've got the city of Wroclaw. We've got Forza Italia. And one of the, if not the most underrated Swedish player ever, Mikael Lustig. Cool. Bye-bye.